Test drive the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, braking assist, backup camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.